Another one's coming, another one's coming. Have you got it recording?
Yeah, yeah.
David Attenborough, eat your heart out. Wow.
There's fucking loads of them!
It's amazing.
Oh my god, they're so cool.
And there's like babies hanging off them. Look, there's 2 tails and everything. Wow. They're all just jumping across. It's crazy.
There's actually like 7 that have went by there.
And there's another one. And here's another. Oh my god, there's like 3 more. It's like the whole family is leaving. Oh, fuck off.
One's gone down there.